back to my video. Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Cahyani Kurniawati. To begin with, I would like to thank all of the audiences here. On this great occasion, I'd like to talk about how to make tie-dye t-shirt. Okay, let's begin.
The ingredients you need to prepare are t-shirt, bottle with hot water, backlink, rubber bracelet, and plastic. Step by step. Here I use the classic spiral technique. How to make? Do first, wet the t-shirt with water, then put it. And pull the garment from the center or anywhere you want to be the center of the spiral. Twist in one direction so that all of the material is tightly tied in a circle. And then, use rubber bands to secure the shape. If you want to make gradient colors, you can use more than one rubber band to make 2 or 3 different parts for each color. But here, I'm not using color, but just use backlink. Pour enough backlink into a bottle of hot water. And then, color each section using a color of your choice. And now, I use backlink for coloring. Spill color on the part that has been tied. The tightness of the color will depend on how much or how little water is mixed with the point. The next step is to put the colored cloths into the plastic and then store them. In just 2 hours, the clothes that have been colored by tie-dye can be made. How to rinse is also easy. Remove all the rubber from the t-shirt material and rinse it with cold water until the water runs clear. And the last, dry it.